Reckless Ben has two criminal charges pending in Utah. I want to talk about those, not the civil case, not a potential civil rights case. Ben has criminal stalking and residential picketing as pending charges. And the evidence gathered by police is not great, truth be told. There's a doctrine called fruit of the poisonous tree, which is when police stop you initially for an unlawful reason, the evidence they gather does not become lawful. They can't admit it necessarily. It can be challenged by a defense attorney. So when a car allegedly ran a stop sign and video shows it didn't run a stop sign, and the police chief says the car ran a stop line, but there is no stop line, and the car appears to have stopped in accordance with Utah traffic code at the intersection nearest the stop sign where they had a clear view, it's probably going to allow evidence to be thrown out. Same thing when police initiate a drug stop and by their own body camera admission do not have independent probable cause to continue the stop. Anything said there may be inadmissible. When police execute a search warrant and then arrest 5 individuals, 4 of whom are unidentified at the time, without an arrest warrant, with no clear charges. They even tell Ben Schneider he is being taken to the police station and they will determine then if he will be arrested. It is an arrest if you were handcuffed and transported to a new location, by the way. Probably all of that can get thrown out, or at least according to attorneys I've spoken with, it has valid cause for a challenge. There's no clean interaction between police and Ben Schneider where anything that builds their case was said. Doesn't mean Ben just automatically gets off here. Police and prosecutors have every reason to keep this going. They want to get a conviction so they can avoid a civil rights lawsuit. But a lot of the evidence that police seem to have right now, prosecutors seem to have right now against Ben, has real constitutional challenges. That's my take. I wish I could just quote everybody that I've spoken to, and I hope I will eventually be able to, but I'm not going to, speaking freely to a YouTube video, risk misquoting someone. Thank you for your time.